With geofencing, Mobilelock is able to alert you when your high-value assets move into or out of a pre-selected area. To create a geofence, go to the Location View page under the Units tab. Click Geofence List, and this brings up the Geofence Editor box. Create a name for your geofence and description if you choose, and type in an address and click Map. The shaded area represents the geofence. If you would like the radius smaller or larger than the 1 mile default, you can adjust it. If you would like to move the geofence, simply click outside the circle to where you would like to go, or click on the red flag and drag it. Once you have your settings the way you like, then click Save. Your geofence is now created. But please note, your geofence is only active when a tracking session is in progress. When locates are done for a device, they will compare their location to your geofence and report when it either enters or exits. So now let's set up a tracking session for one of our devices. Click the Create New box. First, create a session name. All your sessions are saved, and so you'll want to choose a name that will allow you to easily refer back to it, such as the date. Next, choose how often you want locates automatically generated and for how long you would like the session to run. When you select these two parameters, you can see to the right if you have enough current locate credits in your account to complete the session. If you do not, you'll need to either change the tracking interval or duration or purchase additional locates. Next, we recommend clicking the Stop on Low Battery alert. This will save just enough battery in your device so you can do a final locate to retrieve it. Click Start Tracking and your tracking session will begin immediately. When you close out, you will see the session is in progress, and after about 1 minute, locates will begin to appear on the map. If a locate comes in that is inside or outside of your geofence, an alert will be sent. If you wish to stop or edit the tracking session while it is in progress, simply click the Edit View button and click Stop Tracking. Make the changes you wish, and then click the Start Tracking button again. If you would like to conserve locates and battery life, you have the option to start a tracking session only after an alarm is reported. Let's say your Mobilelock is attached to an AC unit you're protecting, and the vibration sensor is set. You don't want to respond to every vibration alarm, but you do want to respond if the AC unit leaves the area. To do this, your Mobilelock will need to have the vibration sensor selected and the proper level of sensitivity, and it will need to be armed. This can all be done from the Configure Units page. With the alarm set, you can then have a tracking session begin when vibration is detected by selecting Start on Alarm. You can select one specific alarm or leave it on for any alarm. We recommend running the tracking session for only as long as it would take a thief to take your asset and exit the geofence. If that time is 30 minutes, then make the session 1 hour to be safe. Doing this conserves locates and allows you to concentrate on geofence alerts rather than every alarm. You can also click Start on each occurrence. For example, vibration is detected and your session will start and do locates every 2 minutes for 60 minutes and then stop. 2 days from now, vibration is detected again. By clicking this box, the session will restart again without you having to reset it. Each time the tracking session runs, it compares locates received versus geofences you've created. You will see these alerts in your unit's history. To receive notifications by email, phone call, or text, go to the Alarm Contacts page under the Units tab, create a new contact, and select Geofence Exit or Entry. If you would like both, you will need to create as separate contacts. Geofences can also be created quickly by clicking on a past locate and then clicking Set Geofence. Name the geofence and change the radius if desired, and you're done. Geofences can be viewed, edited, and deleted at any time by clicking Geofence List. And you can see your geofences on one map by clicking Show on Map. Remember that geofences apply to your entire account and are not tied to any particular device in your account. Tracking sessions, on the other hand, are specific to a device. Your geofences remain dormant until a tracking session is in progress for a device. Geofencing, another great feature of the Mobilelock GPS locator.